Dang. Okay. Whoa. 193 3/4. So they should be 193 3/4. Rip. Run me like a... Run me like a missile. Okay, back here at this site, we're getting trusses organized, set up. All the walls are built on the ground, and we're going to start building the truss section in one piece, build the whole roof on the ground, get it tinned, and then we'll crane it up in one piece and set it on top of the walls. So, we're just going to set the gable truss on the edge, level it, brace it, and then set all of our trusses 2-foot centers all the way across. Just putting a temporary L up here so it'll support our truss ends. And then we'll have a string line from this corner on the edge of the cement all the way across to that end, and we'll set all the heels of our trusses to that string line so we know it's exactly where the edge of the wall is going to be. See how it goes. Put the gable truss on the chalk line, drywall backing installed, nailed to that truss, also acts as straightening that edge out. Then we'll get it braced and leveled. And that little guy over there, pretending to do something. Oh yeah, just waiting on me, he said. To you. Oh. Back to me a little bit. Yeah. Heck yeah. Over it. You're over it. Sure. Truss is all set. Perfectly on that string line. 45 feet. Roof's done, strapped, 2-foot centers. We got X braces inside of the trusses for support, so when we lift it, we got a 2x6 on each side of the king post all the way down, and that's what we're going to hook onto when we lift it with the crane. And now we're just getting the tin laid out. We're going to get it all pre-drilled and get this whole thing tinned.